I'm going to use the Loom recorder to create a quick standard operating procedure and SOP for VisualSP, this application. So here's how we do it. First, I'm going to click on Start Recording for Loom, select the desktop, and I'll just select what I want, in this case, this screen, and start recording. Click on VisualSP tab. Now go to the recommended prompts group and click on Summarize Meetings I Missed This Week. Click on the X to close this prompt after you've read it. Click again on the VisualSP tab. Click on the Ask Vic section and type in Quick Start to Microsoft 365 in the chat. Click on Enter. Navigate the result that comes up and then click on Create a Plan for My Week link. Click on the X and then I stopped Loom. Here's a Loom recording coming up right now. It takes about a minute or so for it to generate the title and then start giving me options for documenting. So I'll pause and come back. Loom is ready for me to take an action. For example, create a standard operating procedure. So I'm going to click on Create SOP. And it makes the whole SOP step by step exactly what I need to be doing, giving me a screenshot of what it looks like and every single thing that I did over here in the tab and so forth. And then also has a link to the Loom recording. So you can copy all of the standard operating procedure, put it into your learning management system if you want, including the link to the actual Loom video. And that's how you can create a SOP, a standard operating procedure, using Loom AI.